We offer a comprehensive range of electrical services and products tailored to meet the diverse needs of residential, commercial, and industrial clients. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing safe, efficient, and reliable electrical solutions, from installation and maintenance to repair and upgrades. With a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, we leverage the latest technology and industry best practices to ensure your electrical systems perform at their best. Trust us to illuminate your world with expertise and reliability. What we do: electric motors, switchgear and circuit breakers, transformers, control panels, variable frequency drives, VFDs, sensors and transducers, PLCs, programmable logic controllers, SCADA systems, power quality and monitoring equipment. Sector usage: industrial, agricultural, food and beverage, hospitality, mining. Acumen Group, where innovation and excellence power everything we do. Scan here to download the electrical brochure.